This is going to be another update addition in our fuel additive video series. STP has updated a few products in its line, so I went ahead and purchased their new fuel injector cleaner additive. This is not a flagship product but more of a purpose-driven injector cleaner, and with most modern machines getting fuel injection system, I went ahead with this on my friend's BS6 RTR 204V. And this is going to be its first FI cleaner in the past 18 months and about 6000 kilometers of running. Now coming to the quantity, if you are using this on a car or a vehicle with a 50 to 60 liters of fuel tank, then STP recommends using this complete 200 ml on a single tank. But on something like motorcycles, you can calculate this as 4 to 5 ml of STP injector cleaner for a liter of fuel. So if your tank capacity is around 10 liters and you have a tank full of fuel, then you can add around 40 to 50 ml of this particular product. How this works? Well, for most injector cleaners, the formulation is based on solvents that will dissolve and break down the deposits in the fuel system. These are mostly hydrocarbon based like the fuel, which makes them soluble and easy to perform the cleaning activity. The C11, C14 alkanes present in this cleaner are known for this stuff. This also contains aromatic and cyclic compounds for cleaning and better combustion. I wish STP made something similar for my bad cold and blocked nose. Getting back to the solvents, some of them can be more viscous and less volatile than petrol that can help them in breaking the deposits by staying longer on the surface. Also note, excess of something like naphtha, toluene and benzene can show negative impact on rubber parts. In my observation, rubber parts were doing fine even after long hours of exposure to the fuel injector cleaner solution. Now coming to the performance, you may not find much difference if the system is already clean or has got low deposition. In the past, the Liqui Moly fuel system cleaner did help my RTR 200 with the hiccups, but please don't consider these cleaners as magic, as in my observation, most of them take around 50 to 100 kilometers before they start showing any results. I prefer doing this on highways where you can play with the RPM and hence with the injector flow. After riding with a tank full of additive, you might notice the difference in idling, cold start and throttle response. In this particular case, I don't have much to report here as the RTR was performing fine in the first place. All I did was enjoy riding it in the sports mode all the time. I also went for the emission report after using this injector cleaner and the reports were positive with no presence of NOx. Currently I am saving this report data for future comparison and I hope you guys will take interest in it. Now coming to its usage interval, STP recommends using it once in every 4800 kilometers where we can round it off to 5000 kilometers, which does make it stronger and concentrated in comparison to the fuel injector cleaners which are recommended for regular use. I guess that brings me to the end of my experience. Let me know in the comments about your experience with fuel additives. So that's it for this video and I hope you guys have liked it.